So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that this alpha be a positive real number and let f is a function which belongs R to R and g is a function which is defined from alpha comma infinity to R. Be the functions defined as f of x is this function and g of x is this function. And we have to find the value of 2 multiplied by limit x tending to alpha plus f of g of x. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, we can clearly see to find out the value of this thing, we need this limit. So we have to evaluate this limit. And if you see the function f, it is from R to R and it is defined as sine of pi x by 12. So you know this function is continuous, this sine function is continuous. And for the continuous function, there is a property like this limit x tending to alpha plus f of g of x. This is same as this thing, like you can move this limit to inside, so you can write this as this. If f is a continuous function, then you can move this limit to the inside. So this property we will use. So first of all, let's evaluate this limit. Then we can easily find out this value by multiplying by 2. So first of all, let's evaluate this. So we know this f is a continuous function, so we can move this limit to the inside. And now we can evaluate this limit like limit x tending to alpha plus g of x. So g of x, we know it is given in the problem. This is 2 times log of root of x minus root of alpha at the base e divided by log of e to the power root x minus e to the power root alpha uh, at the base e. So I write that here. And now if you put x tending to alpha plus, then it is approaching to the like ln 0 by ln 0 form, which is ln 0, we know it is minus infinity, so it is minus infinity by infinity, or you say infinity by infinity form. So what we can do, we can apply the L'Hopital rule. So in this rule, what we can do, we can say that this limit is same as if you do the derivative of upper side and the lower side. So let do the derivative. So we know the ln root of x minus root of alpha derivative is like 1 divided by root of x minus root of alpha, and this inside thing derivative, which we know root x derivative is 1 divided by 2 root x. So ln derivative is this thing, and then this thing derivative is 1 divided by 2 root x. And similarly, you can do the derivative of this. So it is 1 divided by this thing, and then this inside thing derivative. This inside thing derivative, we know e to the power root x derivative is e to the power root x, and root x derivative is 1 divided by 2 root x. So this is the derivative, and this limit, and now this limit is same as this limit by the L'Hopital rule. So now here you can see this we can cancel, and the we can take this thing to the upper side, which is this, and in the denominator we have e to the power root x and this thing, and here it is 2. Now if you see, if you put x tending to alpha plus, now what we can do in this case? So first of all, you can take e to the power root alpha outside. So e to the power root alpha outside from these two terms. So the remaining thing is this e to the power root x minus root alpha, and here we remaining thing is minus 1. And in the denominator we also have this root x minus root alpha. So now you see the form of this. So this is the familiar limit. So this limit, if you put x tending to alpha plus, this limit value is 1. So this is the standard limit you read in the chapter of the limit. So this is the 1, and the this e to the power root to alpha and this e to the power root x cancel if x tending to alpha plus, and the remaining thing is only this 2. So this limit is 2. we can easily calculate this limit, and the limit come will be 2. So now we know this inside value, it is 2. So finally this thing will come in the form of f of 2. So we have to put the x value 2 here. So if you put x value 2 here, it will come like sine of pi multiplied by 2 divided by 12, which is sine of pi by 6, which is same as half. So the value of this will be 2 multiplied by half, which is 1. So this is the final answer, and in this way we can solve this.